Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how the Ottoman Empire was defeated. The empire, which once spanned 3 continents, experienced a gradual decline over several centuries. This complex process involved a combination of internal challenges and increasing external pressures. Understanding these factors helps us grasp the step-by-step unraveling of one of history's longest-lasting empires, leading to its ultimate end and the emergence of new national entities. Internally, the Ottoman Empire struggled with several fundamental issues. Its economy remained largely agricultural, unable to keep pace with Europe's industrial revolution. This meant fewer factories and less modern infrastructure. Furthermore, administrative inefficiencies and corruption became widespread, weakening the central government's control over vast territories. A relatively low literacy rate also hampered efforts to modernize, while rising nationalist sentiments among its many ethnic groups fueled desires for self-rule, creating significant internal strife. Externally, the Ottoman Empire faced relentless pressure from ambitious European powers. Countries like Russia and Austria consistently challenged its borders, leading to numerous military defeats and territorial losses. The failed siege of Vienna was a pivotal moment, signaling a shift in military dominance. Later, the Balkan Wars resulted in the loss of nearly 83% of its European land. Finally, aligning with the Central Powers in a major global conflict proved to be a catastrophic decision, sealing its fate. The empire's defeat in the global conflict led directly to the occupation of its capital by Allied forces. Subsequent treaties, such as the Treaty of Sevres, formally partitioned much of its remaining territory. This culminated in the abolition of the Ottoman Sultanate, ending over 600 years of imperial rule. From the ashes of the empire, a successful war of independence led to the establishment of the modern Republic of Turkey, marking a profound transformation of the region.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.